Okay. See, me I tell you, say them bamboo up here so easier to cut. Easier than the one them down there, sir. That's it. This one has to go on. Another episode. Yeah, man, the one they can cut. Yeah, guys, in the jungle, you see? Yeah, man, freelance, Jamaica TV, we out here, we out here without fear people. Right now, we have fire lighter, so I'm going to cut a couple bamboo. So we're going to make some more seeds. So hopefully this time we can show you the process of everything. So first I get the bamboo from out of the room. It's kind of difficult, so you have to know how to cut it, you see me guys. Yeah, man, we have to know what we are doing. That is sword up here like a knife. Yeah, man, we cut it up like a knife. So we get one already. So we just have to go pull it down. One the tire. That me not say to you, so that one that look like it have a tire. Another road back again.
Tie up now. Tie up.
Yeah, I realize so them tie up, man. Yeah, look the guys. Yeah, man. So right now, we did down there stuff on the first adventure. That's if we could have get some more. And the same procedure. Alright, we'll try one more right here, so. That one look like we can get that one up next, that one I go straight for that one. I know you man, just take a look at time. So that's it guys. Come like a sword. Yeah man, so lucky so I go on. Relax you out here. So guys, they are giving us some different type of adventure. Just want you to support the thing. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, give you 1,000 likes for that video. Watch it in the cause so I tell you say bamboo sharp guys. Cut it like a knife. So yeah, I'm more expert. I have to stay wide. And give him room for work.
Get up now, innit? That.
And the one they're going to rape, that's all going like.
Gone, we it's gone like that.
About the little one that's so called.
Yeah.
The one, see on the top side, the one you just.
What's that, sir?
Yeah.
What's it?
So when you cut that one, now we are trying to see if we can pull them down. Yeah, that one there. After about that one there now, we're supposed to get more space, we can pull them down. Yeah? I say you have to wash, man. Yeah, people, we're there, man. Yeah, my cousin there cut 2 bamboo to make some bench. You see it? Yeah. As you can see, we're surrounded by pure nature. Yeah, guys, you see that, people? Yeah, man, we're down in the country. You see it, people? Yeah, man, we're down in the country, man. So watch out, man. Because I go and chop the bamboo, man. We cut 3 already, people, but I tell you now, we get them done, it's a problem. You can hold it when I say we cut 2, you know. Take a rest, man, if you're tired. Yeah, I realize. But that one I look like, it's one I cut now. Yeah, it look like it can. Yeah, I say it look like it can come down. See, that's the people. Them see the cut. See my cut the next one. Yeah, man, I'm up my shit. Take your time, man. He easy does it, you know. You can't catch it. It's taller than me, you know. Yeah, guys, it's over there. You can't catch it. Yeah, can be kind of shorter than you, know, so. That is, if you catch them, you can't catch it after now to dry down. Yeah, man, freelance. As you can see me on that one shade that sit down. I put in the work, man, so guys. I like the support on that give me still, you know? Yeah, man, I like the support, and honestly, we are putting in the work, so they just go and share up with the people and like up with them. Yeah, man, and only more adventure they have to come. Yeah, I don't know, it's a kind of sad time still, you know, but yeah. As when I can see tomorrow on my birthday, see I'm here the 21st of April. Yeah, so time I see that video probably my birthday gone already. I want to see it for my birthday, so yeah, man, we're going to have video for my birthday, guys. So yeah, man, we out here. Just send out all the love and shout out, you know. Yeah, man, and condolence to my father. See him, yeah? Yeah, man, be up yourself, daddy. Yeah, man. Uncle's there. Because I go and put in the work. See him, yeah, people. Yeah, I'm doing that close up. That's how we reach now. Yeah, it's our third attempt. Like one little piece, all the hand cause. One little piece, all the hand, man. One little piece. Alright. It's supposed to easily come down there now. See that? Where run gone? Where run gone? People, see that? So I try to use a swinging method, guys, to see if I can get it done. Jaja. Alright, we can see what we can do with it now. We can see what we can do with it.
Cement can't take it. Can't do it. Hit, hit. Rock it. Try to pull it, but it's not on board. Just as you say, boy, we get one. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, tell them, man. Just as you say, we get one, you know. It's stuck on a tree over here, so. Nah, come out. Judge of people. I'll be a roadblock we are back up in there. Good. Tell them, man, and I want up the side of the now, come on. Good. Yeah, like that. We got fire. See if that one can come down.
You guys, let me see that we are trying to see if we can get it down, but boy, it'll be a problem. If we have piece of rope now. Yeah guys, we are trying to see if we can get it clear. Each palm and limb right there, so. See a limb there? Yeah man, the hook pan it, so. We try it come right there, so. See it? Yeah man, we never catch that on camera still, but because I go and clear it out. Yeah man, we are putting in the work. Oh dear, I'm about to touch him, but I'm tired, you know. Next one, that's a cut too. This cut too, you know. So I have to be careful. See? I want the cut too. Just take a little time man and touch it, touch him. Yeah man, see him and shake there. And him go. Alright, you can see it clear there now. See him gone there. No, I have to pull it again and see what go on for it. So people, I try it again. See what go on for it. You see? Yeah man, we're there already. See that? We'll try one more time. See? Eh, but it broke a while ago, so it's supposed to come down. Alright, I see what I can do with it. See that guys? Sharp like a knife. That me I realize. I want to stuck, see me. Well, could I get him on the side? Everyone who cut each other of people could have. I want to stuck. And that. Oh yeah, bust that. I'm back up and get some. That me I say if you want to cut it. I'll go on. That me I say.
Bamboo cut it.
Bamboo we cut it. I want to sit down for that's what people. So we sit down, we have to use the make seed. The bunks you see, stuff over there up on the tree. See there? Like we have to cut that one and too. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah man, the long one right there. So. Like we have to cut it to make it go on, make it dust. Yeah man.
Bamboo cut it, you see? This one can also see.
Hold on, broke up. You can't sit down back of the machine, you know?
And you know, when you fly.
Yeah.
You fly, no?
Me look. Alright people, hopefully this time. So hopefully just drop this time we can dry it out. fall there. But in my experiment, I say I have to do the choppings and the choppings, that's it. Yeah, man, people. So I'm going to finish now.
Bamboo cookies, you see? Good. Oh, nah, that one.
No, in a jar.
There you go. Like it. Good here. Hands up. I want you to see.
Each two.
I need to.
Let's see if we can. No, sir.
Keep having.
Yeah.
I'm messing with the wood.
That's how we salt.
Yeah. So I hold it up. I'm messing with it. Okay, one.
That's salt, man.
Yeah, it's salt. You see? Bamboo cookies.
No, man.
Two times on the wood.
You see that? I'm say with a drop in IV, right? That's all.
What that? Bamboo cookies.
Yeah, man.
Two on this. Two on this.
And he still can't get none.
Bamboo cookies. See?
Whatever bamboo we cut it, you know. Why I'm telling you. Right now. I'll take my little time. I'm going to see bamboo. Yeah. You chop. Just like the first one. So I will see swinging and see if you come now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So not even a bunch of people. Look. Yeah, that's cool on the camera. Alright, see our next one done this one, Icho. Yeah, bamboo them are bad people, but me I tell you, everyone, which I will pick, which I will chop, I trouble. This one I'm showing you. See how this is stuck up. This one that I see them. Them two there now. Stuck one or two there, so. No, sir. That child said I could have popped that piece about the non pop. Right, guys, our second day. This is a bamboo walk, you know. Second day. Well, I'm sorry when I get to cut it down and dry out and show the procedure. But we still a try. We still a try, guys. So just cheer away and press up the like button and subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, feel free to check in with me in the jungle. Me and Paul, we out here without fear, guys. Yeah. I show the people that want to go on, you know. Show them say we're there for morning and cut bamboo and noon and budge. Not even one. Not even one. You see bamboo people, so our next walk here. See much to chop out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when they make 4. But them are each guy say come here for any adventure, right? So on the hillside rather than on the hillside. And that me I say every bamboo we chop. Not even one? Not even one, guys? Oh my. Jaja. Not even one, cuz.
Not even one come out. See it.
All of them. I can't start to start. So we are clear if it job.
Yeah, we clear if it job.
And it's still not job.
No job.
A breadfruit tree this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we are clear for you job people. Still no job, see it? I'm going to shake it kind of right there, so. Well, we push out a good energy, guys, but I don't know what going on. So, people, I know we just go any adventure, right there, so. Yeah, man, freelance Jamaica. Second day in the bush. Yeah. As you see in the first video still. Yeah, now I see it. By bench them look. Yeah, but we never come catch them and them and make it, you know. Somebody want to show the procedure from start to finish, but as I said, guys, just bear with me, you know. Yeah. We enjoy seeing me, nevertheless. We're outside and we're out here without fear. Until next time. We are going to cut it shorter. Let's see if we can get it to go. And it make no sense we can not even peace, we come and we not carry out peace.
I'll show one next one. See all one next one.
Well, I'm not tell them, man.
See all two, I will cut them. Two of them mix a bit.
At least we can carry out peace.
Them ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. Watch yourself, cuz. Watch yourself. Take your time. I see that people me turn to a dangerous thing. That's why he tell me to step back and make him do it cutting. You see that? And now make it go. Yeah. Who say you're lazy?
You're willing.
Then I must should be giving me. That guy is some nice. We call him a number 11 mango on the tree. Yeah, look at this tree, guys. Sorry, no ripe one today. What is it? Sorry, no ripe one today. Yeah, man, I see some nice yam. Yeah, man, as I can see, that's a yam field. See the head them? Yeah, man, I see another yam there. Another yam is. Yeah, this side bamboo. So we are going to bring up. Alright, cuz you go up front.
Yeah, okay. Can't get them up, we like get them up, we can't.
Oh, yeah, clean you. Alright, clean you.
Get them up, we can't get them up.
Yeah, cuz I clean you. Yeah, man, so we are going for now. I say you go, man. Yeah, man, guys. Yeah, man. Hey, but they ain't chop. Yeah, man, so we are going for the bamboo. Yeah, no. One we get, you know? So far. So we are doing it. That means I say we want a salt. 2 attempt or 5 attempt and one we get. Tired, you know? So I'm ready. Yes, sir, friend.
if I lay